Welcome, soldiers. In today's episode, we're bringing you the best biker versus angry people moments from the past month. From heated confrontations to full-blown showdowns, these riders weren't backing down. Grab your popcorn and get ready for some intense face-offs. Let's dive in.
Arrêtez
de me voler la vie de ma mère et de faire les votes en moto parce que je vais tous vous enculer.
Ça va, qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
Dis à tes collègues qu'ils arrêtent de faire les votes, je vais tous vous enculer un pareil, qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
D'accord, ça va.
Arrête de me voler, je vais t'éclater. Casse-toi.
Oh, c'est bon, t'arrêtes, c'est bon.
Faites attention,
C'est bon.
je vais vous enculer. Ferme ta gueule.
As you can see, this driver tried to block the biker from lane filtering. In response, the biker slapped his mirror and continued riding. Little did he know, the driver was speeding up to catch up with him.
Why you like that?
What though?
Why you doing like that?
I didn't do anything.
Hit my
No, this.
watch.
Throw your bike on the...
Do it, woman. Get in your car and hit me with it and I'll break your arm. Bro.
Everybody,
Look over his back.
hey, everybody,
Swing it.
calm, stop. Everybody, calm down.
The driver from behind clearly had an issue with the biker ahead, so he got out of his car, a decision that turned out to be a really bad mistake.
This close call ended up much differently than you would expect.
As you can see, a car pulled out in front of this biker without checking, forcing the biker to react quickly. The driver then stopped right in the middle of the street, prompting the biker to stop as well and find out what the driver had to say.
Por que essa reação? Por que essa reação?
Mas porquê que tu cais, pá?
Então porque eu estou, e o senhor estava a ver o meu ver?
Mas qual foi o teu problema, pá?
Foi vocês estarem a vir.
E uma pessoa parou para passar, qual foi o teu problema, pá?
Mas o meu problema foi...
Qual foi o teu problema?
Então para que eu buzinei? Eu buzinei.
Então vai-te embora, desaparece.
Mas você está a falar para quem?
Então, para ti, estou a falar para ti. E eu estou-te a falar
Você
para ti.
tem respeito?
Para quê?
Tenha respeito.
Porquê?
Tenha respeito para quem é que está a falar. Tenha respeito. Olha, você tenha respeito. Você a mim não fala assim. Está a ouvir?
Filha da puta, mas... Deixa, larga-me, larga-me, pá.
Não faça coisas que se vai arrepender.
Bom, arrependeu, filha da... Larga-me, pá.
Você não sabe para que é que está a falar.
Não sabe?
Não sabe. Digo já.
Larga-me a boca. Eu estou a falar para ele. Estou,
This biker found himself in a tense encounter with an angry driver who was blocking the overtaking lane on the highway. After passing him, things quickly escalated. Let's see how this intense situation unfolded. What do you think? Was the driver justified, or did the biker handle it the right way?
Got kids in the car. We'll get the inside way, then. Get the inside way to the hug in the outside.
The biker claimed the glaring sun caused him to miss the red light. Unfortunately, he rode through it, sparking frustration in a white SUV driver who decided to give chase.
Don't do that again.
I am sorry. Hold on. I didn't see it.
You don't do that again.
I didn't see it. Relax, I didn't see it.
Don't tell me, relax. Don't tell me, relax. You want around? You want around? You want to come on. Come on.
This biker's friend couldn't just stand by and watch the chaos unfold. Fueled by loyalty and adrenaline, he jumped into the action to defend his buddy, turning the situation into an unforgettable showdown.
Wait, you guys don't know. You guys don't need to.
Boy!
I got a camera. What's going on now?
Why you got the ass people?
Jump my people.
Don't ever put the hand on you. Lay there. Walk. Tell you all right. Get the out of here.
No, you got my.
Get the out of here. Get the out of here.
I want my phone.
Boy, you get this thing. Go get this phone. Crap. Huh? You go get it. Go fucking get it. Why you go get it?
Give me here.
Take your phone.
Come on, take your helmet off.
Yeah. Walk.
Take off your
You want
helmet.
to bite the right?
You almost hit my car with your truck.
You gotta
You got the red light.
You gotta walk.
I almost clipped you and killed you.
I told you I'm sorry, but you hit me first. Whoa, bro.
I'm not scared. I'm scared.
I'm not getting you either. 1, 2, 3, go. Bro.
If it's one-on-one,
You think? You think I'm scared of you?
I'm not scared of you.
Huh?
I'm not scared of you.
Go get your friend and get the fuck out of there, right? Go. Think it's tough. They ever want to be, boy. They ever want to be. They ever want to be.
Three guys got me.
Because you fucking hit
You
that
almost hit
now.
my car, man.
I don't give a f***. I didn't hit you. You can't hit his helmet, right? You want to slap him and make your off.
That's all right.
You put the
I'm my phone, man.
Go get your phone and get the out of here. You're not getting shit. Let's go.
I got it. MD-723.
Is this so close? I have everything on video.
What happened? I got you on video too. I got
You are attacked me first.
You saw somebody car.
It doesn't matter. You are attacked me first.
No, man, you know I'm kicking out by myself. You know that. But it's three.
No, you are. No, let's go. Me and you. I'll take my gun.
Later, the cops arrived on the scene, and the driver ended up in handcuffs. Now, here's a question for you. Do you have a friend who would jump in without hesitation to have your back? Let us know in the comments. A man has been hanging around a pedestrian bridge near a local high school, reportedly behaving inappropriately towards students. People in local Facebook groups shared that he's been doing this for a while and was even arrested before but released. When he targeted this biker's daughter, he decided to step in and put a stop to it. This biker was attacked completely unprovoked. Check out what happened next.
Mamă, cât de mulți e pe ăsta. Vai de capul meu. Deci nu știu, cred că omul din spatele meu are o problemă, că merg eu mai încet. Înțelegi? Și că merg eu mai încet. Băi! Dar ce s-a întâmplat?
Pune-l mai frână în față!
Da, seara, că s-a întâmplat ceva. Da, da, stai că sunt la poliție.
Bine, m-am înțeles, dar bine, am trăit, așa, e bine frumos?
Bună ziua! Stai aici! Un om mi-a dat un pumn în cap.